Hey Carlisha, it's Mrs. Burke. Welcome back to math class. We are going to start on our week 2 assignments. When you log into IXL, remember you're going to your recommended area section, and over here to the right you will see a gold star. And these are skills suggested by your teacher. Now we are just working on math in this video, but you have a whole lot of English assignments too. But let's see, last week you were add 2 numbers up to 5 digits. And this week you're going to have 2 assignments. Let's check out the first one. Count coins and bills up to $20. Okay. So you have a dime, a quarter, and a nickel, and you will add them all up. Okay, remember? This plays it, and it's going to ask you how much money is there. All right, let's jump a level. Now you have your dollar bills and a quarter. All right, let's jump a level. Now you have a $5 bill, a $1 bill, a quarter, a dime, and a penny. So you're going to add all those up. Let's see what your next level brings. $10, $5, and a penny. All right. Next level. Oh, now remember, you got to go to at least a smart score of 80, okay? If you want to go past 80, though, that's awesome. You can top out at 100, and once you pass a smart score of 90, it gets into this challenge section. All right, so they gave you a $20 bill, and you got a penny, and a quarter, and a nickel, and another quarter. So you would add those all up. All right. I'm really certain you can do this one, Carlisha, okay? So let's go back and check out your other assignment. You would go back to recommendations. And I'm in a teacher view, so I have all of my students, and I also have all of Mrs. Burgess's students in here as well. So you wouldn't have to go scrolling through all of these people because you would be signed up with your individual login. So it would just be you. But oop, there you are on mine. And you will have this star again. And let's see. Subtract numbers up to 5 digits. This is going to be your second assignment you do. Now, once you finish this assignment, and you finish these assignments from last week, it will show your score for you right here. So when you pull it up, you'll know if you'll need to still keep working on it. And if it doesn't say at least 80, that means you need to still work on it. Or if it's above 80, you are free to go on to your next assignment, okay? So let's check out to see what subtract numbers up to 5 digits has. So we pull that up. All right. Now look, we are going to be borrowing because you can't subtract 8 from 3, can you? You may want a calculator for these, and that would be a great resource to use. So if you have an adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, just a 4-function calculator, that would be great. If you don't have one, there are apps you can get on your phone that's a simple 4-function calculator for you to do these with, okay? That would be great for you to check your work. But if you ever get into an area and you're like, oh, I need a little help with that, learn with an example, all right? So it gives you another example, and then it shows you that you need to regroup, right? It's because we can't take 4 away from 1, so they borrow 1 from this 4 and turn it into a 3, and then that 1, well, we borrowed, now we borrowed an entire 10, so that 1 becomes an 11 now. So now we can subtract that 4 from the 11. And then, we can't take 5 from 3, so then we have to borrow this one here and turn that 3 into a 13, and now we can subtract our 5 to get 8. Well, when we borrowed 1 from 1, that left us with 0. Well, you can't take 3 away from 0, so you have to borrow 1 from your 9, and then that 0 becomes a 10. Then you can take that 3 away from it, and it becomes 7. When you took the 1 away from the 9, it became an 8. And 8 minus 7 is 1. Like I said, you may want your calculator for these, and that is a great resource for you to use. And I know you'll be able to get through this one easily, Carlisha, because you are going to be great at it. Again, you start with your top number and you subtract. Let's jump another level. Let's see what it has at the next level. And it's the same thing. The numbers, sometimes, look, you don't even have to regroup with this one, do you? This one is straight up subtraction. You can maybe try that one without your calculator. What do you think? I think you can give it a try. All right. Now, once you reach a smart score of 90, then it gets into your challenge section. So these are little bigger numbers, but again, use your calculator, okay? Because your smart score equals your grade for the week. All right. And see, they're all subtracting problems. Like I said, use your calculator. You can do this. All right, Carlisha. Those are your 2 assignments. You are going to count coins and bills up to $20 bills. And then you are going to subtract numbers up to 5 digits. Give it a try. I know you're going to be great at it. Enjoy your 3-day weekend at the end of the week, and I'll talk to you again next Monday. Bye, Carlisha.